Hey, what's going on everyone? The launch of the Pixel 6 series is knocking at the door and a fresh leaks predicts a new launch date for the series of the smartphones. So in this video, we will be discussing every details about the Google Pixel 6 series like the launch date and specifications of each device. For your better understanding, we would recommend you to watch this video till the end. My name is Sovik and welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Before we jump right into the video, we would like to tell you something important. Almost 99% of you watching our videos have not subscribed to our channel. To support us, please smash the subscribe button along with the bell icon. Google's upcoming Pixel 6 range is all set to launch in the fall, but the tech giant is yet to announce an official launch date. The Pixel 6 series will include the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro models, and these phones are likely to have dual-tone design with a camera strip running across the back panel housing multiple sensors. The Pixel 6 and 6 Pro are confirmed to be powered by Google's own Tensor SoC. Chinese tipster PandaIsBold has leaked a possible launch date for the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. The tipster claims that the two Google phones may launch on September 13, a day before the rumored Apple launch event. Google has not made any announcement about the launch date in an official capacity. Pricing and availability details will be revealed whenever the launch happens. Google has confirmed a fall release for the Pixel 6 series but is yet to announce an exact date. Also, there is no confirmation if this Google series will launch in India or not. Google made the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro official earlier this month, confirming that the two phones will be powered by the company's own custom SoC called Tensor. The overall design of the both Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro will be the same, with the difference being their screen size, camera lenses and a few features. The Pixel 6 series still carries the dual-tone design with a camera bar at the back panel. The Pro model features a polished aluminum frame while the non-Pro model comes with a matte aluminum finish. Pixel 6 will feature a dual rear camera setup while the Pixel 6 Pro will come with a triple rear camera setup. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Google Pixel 6. Google Pixel 6 could come with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate. The resolution will be 118 by 2340 pixels. It will run on Android 12 out of the box as expected. As mentioned earlier, the phone will be powered by Google's own octa-core chipset called Tensor, which will be based on 5nm technology. The phone is expected to come with 12GB of RAM and there will be 3 storage options to choose from: 128GB, 256GB and 512GB. For optics, the phone could come with a dual rear camera setup, a 50MP main sensor and 12MP ultra-wide sensor. The camera is capable of recording 4K videos at 60fps. At the front, the phone is equipped with 12MP lens for selfies and video calls. We have not got any information about the battery size of this device yet. Pixel 6 is IP68 dust and water resistant. There will be no 3.5mm jack on both these devices. Now let's talk about the specifications of Google Pixel 6 Pro. Pixel 6 Pro could come with a 6.71-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The resolution will be 1440 by 3120 pixels. The phone will also run on Android 12 and also powered by the same processor as Pixel 6. Just like the Pixel 6, you will get 12GB of RAM on this device as well as 3 storage configurations. This device will come with triple rear camera setup, a 50MP main sensor, 48MP telephoto lens that is capable of 4x optical zoom and a 12MP ultra wide. This phone can also record 4K videos at 60fps. At the front, Pixel 6 Pro has a single 12MP sensor. The phone will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery. Please keep in mind that the specs are not confirmed by Google. This is purely based on leaks and rumors available online, and you should take this with a pinch of salt. It will take a few days more to get more confirmed information about the phones. So that is all for today's video. If you find this video informative, then please hit the like button. A like will encourage us to make more exciting videos for you. If you still not subscribed to Phone Politics, then please hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon. Also, the social media links are in the description. You can follow us from there. See you guys in some other video. Bye.